This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Home, sweet home. Everything is just the same. Why come back?
Phew, Sammy, you could have at least helped me. Almost all of this is your stuff.
Sorry, Susie, but I'm so sad that I don't want to do anything. Just lie down.
Oh, what bothers you, poor little slime?
I don't know. It's just the vacation ended so quickly.
Sorry, Sammy, but it always happens like that.
Yeah.
At least now we have a lot of cool memories. Want to have a look?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We will never have that much cool time again.
Hey, but we can arrange one more vacation right here. Do you feel the rhythm? Get involved.
This is it. I will make my own beach. Let me pour some sand for a beachy vibe.
What if instead of making a mess, we painted something beautiful with it?
Painting with sand? You kidding? I want to try it, but I still want my vacation back.
So, I have an idea for a design for our drawing. I just don't know where to start.
I found this thing. I'm not sure what it's for, but maybe it can come in handy.
Great! This is just what I need. Let's start with the purple sand. Would you just look at this color? I've loved it since I was a little girl. It reminds me of tasty grape soda and cute little violets. We need to make the outline a little smoother. To do that, I will use a plastic coffee cup cap. So, do you like it, Sammy?
Oh, this doesn't help my vacation mood. I will probably try something else.
Well, it's up to you, and I will keep going. This bright blue color totally reminds me of the water in the ocean we were swimming in. Perfect. We need to work up every new level of sand and remove the excess, like this. Okay, this will do. I'm going to call it color sand therapy. So the green color comes next. We will make one more sand circle with it just like we did before. Just a little bit more, and that's it. Now I need something smaller to even out the edges.
The first component of every successful vacation is delicious, refreshing drinks. Ugh, come on, why don't you open up? Huh?
Oh, this cap is just right. I will help you, Sammy. And you will help me. Here you go. This looks so pretty.
Oh, I can't wait to try it. It's not even close to what we had on vacation.
Oh, that's right. We had some great drinks there. But nothing beats freshly squeezed orange juice. Speaking of which, this color just screams orange. Haha. And the red color comes next. We're nearly getting a rainbow here. I don't know about you, but I always associate yellow with the sun. Let it be in the middle. Now, I need a comb. I'll show you how to use it to make our drawing more interesting.
And I need a distraction from my vacation reminiscence. Nah, if I needed a helmet, I'd buy a motorcycle. Next! Yes! This is the style I've been looking for all these years. I feel like the thoughts of vacation are leaving my body already. Hey!
What a nice day for a ride.
Oops, sorry, Sammy. So, where was I? Oh, right! Using a comb, you can make interesting patterns in the sand. Great! Now let's try something new. These wavy lines make our drawing look like a flower. See? It's very beautiful. I only want to make the edges of our drawing a little neater. This is a cooking ring. Hey, it's almost the same as erasing extra lines on a pencil drawing. Let's keep going. It's high time to expand our pattern. Now I want to turn them into petals. I just need to find the right tool.
Alright, vacation attempt number 2. I want to make the famous sand cakes. It's like cupcakes, but with my secret ingredient. I hope no one is watching. Huh? Oh, you're my secret, precious. An important thing is not to overdo it.
Thank you.
Hey, wait, I need to measure it. Whatever. I've made these cupcakes so many times, I could do that with my eyes closed. What bad could happen anyway? Oh, Daddy? Oh, you're so cute. Not so much. That's why I needed a measuring spoon. Help!
Oh wow, I guess the measuring spoon truly is very important. And not just in a kitchen. Look how great the petals turned out. Now, I want to do the same with the red sand. Here we go. Just a few gentle movements. I really want to see how this blue color will look here. Not bad, I guess. And for the red petals, let's use orange sand. Check this out, friends. It really is a masterpiece. Amazing.
So, how can I help you, Sam?
My doctor said I need a vacation. Here are all the documents.
But you just returned from there.
Yes, but it wasn't enough. And any attempt I made to distract myself turned into a disaster.
Oh, well, I see. Okay, then.
Sorry, guys, but I really need to borrow this.
Do you see what I have to deal with at work?
I would sign your leave, but that was my only pen.
No! I can't do this any longer. I'm going to the mountains to meditate.
That's actually a nice idea. And this picture is like a meditation for me. I want to add more colorful sand piles here and there because I want to give our pattern a little bit more contrast. Well, our sand picture already looks very beautiful, right? And thanks to Sammy, I now know exactly what we will do next. I am going to use sand of all the colors that we already used before. Now, if we press the cap a little and turn it slightly, this way, we will get pretty spirals like this. Making more leaves will be just perfect for our floral theme. Let's turn our drawing into a real flower meadow. Now let's dilute our bright colors with some white.
That meditation did relax me a bit. Wow. Your picture looks even more beautiful up close. It is so mesmerizing.
Well, thank you for the high praise, but it is not done just yet.
By the way, Sue, can you finish it by yourself? I'm kind of hungry.
Sure thing. Have a nice meal for me, too. Here we go. Now it's all done!
admit, it's even better than our vacation. Great job, Sue.
Oh, come on, thank you.
Yeah, you are a real artist, Sue. We should have an exhibition.
Oh, yeah.
Are you kind again, Cupcake?
Actually, since everyone is relaxed again, I want to admit that not for a second did I stop thinking about tasting a slime.
Wait, what? No, I need a break.
No way!
Whew, I hope you enjoyed our video today, even though it got a little out of hand. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you very soon. Bye-bye.
What are you doing up there?
No, nothing. I'm definitely not afraid of the flood.
Blood!
See if you can top that.
Ouch!
I win that round.
Is everything okay? Why is there so much water?
Oh, Your Highness, it's an absolute disaster. There's a leak down at the harbor, and the water is rising. Just look at the garden. And she continues to play her trivial bubble-blowing contest.
Hey, loosen your collar, Countess. We're entitled to have some fun sometimes, aren't we?
Not during a catastrophe. If the water gets as far as the castle, well, we're...
I'll guard the castle.
But there's no water over there.
Exactly.
How did I end up surrounded by such oafs?
It's okay, Elizabeth. Show me where the leak is.
It's a really bad leak. We've got to fix it. Otherwise, the castle will be underwater in no time. Here, I'll call a plumber.
That should be the last of their silly bubbles. Now Billy has more important things to deal with, like floods. Are you sure these are all the plumbers in Magic Key?
I sure think so. We're arresting everyone who even looks like a plumber.
What rightful right do you have to hold me here?
By this law, right here. Any and all plumbers are to be arrested immediately. Law invented, passed half an hour ago by the twin princesses. It's so cool being a twin princess.
It's an absolutely scandalous scandal. I'm a wizard, not a plumber.
Well, you look like a plumber with those pants. To the dungeon with you. This is so great. With no plumbers to help Billy stop the leak, we'll be done with her silly bubble-blowing games once and for all. Games? We'll be done with her whole kingdom. Maybe if we twist it a little tighter, we can stop the leak.
Look what I found. Did someone use this to break the faucet?
It's pink. And I don't know any plumber in Magic Key who uses pink tools.
Speaking of plumbers, not one of them seems to be around. I've called them all and no one answers.
Then we're going to have to stop the leak without their help. Did I hear you say help? A pool party? How nice of you to invite me. No, Zsa Zsa, we're trying to stop the water. Oh, really, bud? How do you have a pool party without any water? Zsa Zsa, we have to stop the water from rising. Can you help? I know. I have just the thing. Oopsie. I'll go get a new wad.
It's hopeless. I'll be at the castle preparing for evacuation.
Billy, look over there. Isn't that the emergency drain for when the harbor gets too full?
It is, but why is it plugged up? I'll bet the twin princesses are up to no good.
Princess! The water's rising throughout the kingdom! Hey, you giggling guppies, what's so funny?
Nothing. Only that the twin princesses were right.
With the water rising like this, pretty soon we'll be swimming. In Princess Billy's throne room.
Why, you...
Back off or we'll splash you.
Sir Kitty Cat, paddle us over to that hole. We have to pull the plug before it's underwater.
Princess Billy, save me!
Oh, what was that?
I said, Princess Billy, save me!
Ed!
It sounded like it was coming from the twin princess's castle.
Hurry! We have to help them! Allow me. What a perfect day. Isn't it wonderful to have the sea right here now? Yeah, we'll finally have a beach all to ourselves, just like Billy has. Or had. What have you done with Ed?
Princess, I'm being imprisoned as a prisoner with oodles of ogres!
So that's where all the plumbers went.
Set them free right now! We will, just as soon as we're sure they can't do anything to stop that leak from flooding your kingdom.
You mean the same leak that's flooding your kingdom too?
Maybe the water's high enough. I don't want our pink dress collection ruined. And what about our shoes? Sydney! Release the prisoners!
This is gonna cost you!
Okay, you can go fix the faucet now so our castle doesn't get flooded.
There's not a chance of a chance we'd help you princesses now.
What should we do now?
Let's get back to the harbor. We can't give up. Oh, we have to stop this leak right now or the kingdom will be lost. Oh, that's it. Shasha, can I have that bubble blower? Whoa.
Princess, that's the biggest bubble I've ever seen.
Shasha, can you make it strong? That will stop the flood from rising for now. But we have to take that plug out so the water can drain.
It's far too dangerous, Your Highness.
But it's the only way to save Magicy. I'm going to need you to make this next bubble extra strong, okay?
I'm going with you.
I'd never help the double troubles, but for you, princess, I'm always willing to pipe up.
Thank you, Ed. You can release the bubble. Now let's replace this faucet. Well, the water's gone down. We didn't get flooded after all. Yeah, we stayed dry while Billy's kingdom got drenched.
What's that? Huh?
Ah, there! This faucet won't let out a lick of a leak, I assuredly assure you.
Hooray! The leak is fixed! Thank you, Ed. You saved the kingdom.
No, princess, you're the one who saved us. Magicy is lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy. You know what, Truman? I'm not giving up on this game that easily.
Hey, you fixed it!
Oh, well, what do you know? The game works just fine. I must have accidentally hit the remote. Instead of trying to ruin other people's games, try playing one sometime and maybe you like it. So, do you want to play or not? I want to be on Billy's team.